Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to view your text message records on the US Cellular website. You might want to conveniently view your messages without your phone, monitor your family's text records, or view a deleted conversation. Well, no matter what your purpose is, rest assured that we will help you out. Okay, to view your records, all you need to do is go to www.uscellular.com/login, then sign in or register an account. Go to Bills and Payments. Choose the Bills Summary button, then click your line number on the left side. From there, your text messages records should show up. As you can see, you will only have access to time, date, phone numbers, and status of the texts. The contents of your messages cannot be viewed in the website. If you want to view the contents of the texts, you have to go through a certain process. First, you have to contact the US Cellular Subpoena Compliance Department at subpoenacompliance@uscellular.com or click the Chat Now icon on the website and state your concern. Then, their team will explain to you the procedure and fees. The updated fee to view the text content is $25 per request or subscriber. Once the fee is paid, you then need to get a subpoena. Next, you have to fax it to 866-669-0894. US Cellular will then release your request after a couple of days to weeks. It will be sent as an encrypted Word file to the email you provided. Remember, US Cellular has a retention period. As for the text message content, it is only approximately 3 to 5 days from when the message was sent. If you want to view the records for calls, data usage, bills, etc., the link for the full guide is in the description below. If the messages were simply deleted, you can use a data recovery tool to get them back. And when it comes to that matter, iOS and Android data recovery are the best ones. These tools can recover messages that were deleted for weeks, months, and even years. How cool is that? And guess what? All the content of the messages will be recovered, including the attached media files. Apart from text messages, these tools can also recover messages from Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Viber, and more. Both programs can also restore deleted images, videos, call logs, contacts, and other phone data. And to top it all off, they work smoothly on most US Cellular devices. To know more about their features and functions, click the links in the description below. If your purpose is to gather evidence or to check on someone, you can use one of the most reliable monitoring tools in the market today, which is mSpy. With mSpy, you'll be able to view someone's text messages and other phone data without the need to access their phones. You can use your own device and freely read all the messages they send and receive. Plus, you'll be able to access the messages in real time. If you want a copy of these messages, you can simply take a screenshot and save it on your device. If you want to take your monitoring to a whole new level, don't worry, mSpy can also access call logs and contacts, monitor social media inbox, check browsing activities, block apps, sites, and Wi-Fi networks, and more. To know more about mSpy's perks, click the link below. So that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about phone monitoring and how to recover deleted data, subscribe to our channel to be updated with our latest videos. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See you on the next one.